Hey, Dad. Dad?
Yeah?
What are you doing in my room?
Nothing. What are you doing in your room?
What the hell is that?
It's, sit down, son. I gotta give you a little talk.
Daddy, listen,
Yeah?
why'd you take me riding now for?
Well, you see, son, when you grow up and become a man, there's... Fuck you!